Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be talking about HTML audio. HTML audio can be defined as a way of inserting an audio file into a web page or into an HTML document. So first of all, we need a tag called the audio tag, and I want you to know that the audio tag has an opening and a closing tag. But first of all, let's clear up the text formatting elements. So I said to insert an audio file you need a tag called the audio tag, and the audio tag has an opening and a closing tag. So in between the opening and the closing tag of the audio tag, you put in the source tag. Remember that the source tag is different from the source attribute, and then inside the source tag you put in the src, which is the source attribute. You put your equals to and you put your this thing, and then you close it. Then I want you to know that the source tag, which has the src attribute inside, does not have a closing tag. The audio tag has an opening and a closing tag. This is the closing tag, which has the forward slash. But inside, meaning in between the opening and the closing tag, you put in the source tag, which does not have a closing tag, and inside the opening tag of the source tag you put the src attribute, and then you put the name of the audio. So I want you to know that this thing will not display, but let's still do it the way we want it now, and then I'll show you our fonts, because I already knew we have a font there. So let's come back. This is the audio we want to use, so I'm gonna rename it audio 1, and then drag it inside here, and then open the folder HTML file. This is it. So this is the audio we want to use. Then we right click on it and look for properties, and then the property says that it is .mp3, because why? We have to know the file format of the audio, meaning the audio full name is audio1.mp3. so we'll come back here and write audio1.mp3. so we'll come back here and save it, and then you see our font now. Refresh it. Do you know why it is not displaying? It is not displaying because why? We didn't give this audio tag the play and pause attributes, the mute the volume, lower the volume, increase the volume attributes. But to give them, it is very simple. You just write controls. So this controls means that these audio elements should have play, pause, forward, backward, and mute, and lower the volume and increase the volume. So let's refresh it. Can you see it now? And after that, our code is not yet complete, because why? We are still leaving some code here. But first of all, before I write the code, I will play this video for this audio for you. The audio. Now this is the code we are missing. We have to write the type of audio here. So write type and write equals to, we put the attribute, then we write audio stroke mp3, mp3. So it makes the code the HTML file knows that it is the mp3. So we come back here, save it, and then refresh it here, but it does not do anything to it. But you know what? This is the full code for inserting an audio file into an HTML document or a web page. So I'm gonna mute this thing for you to be sure that all attributes is working. And I'm also gonna lower the volume and play it. Can you see? Okay, so you can see the code. You can go over this video, the worksheet, look at the full code. So this is the normal way of inserting an audio file into a HTML document or a web page. And I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my videos. Bye.